Energy recovery, domestic waste, industrial waste. Material recovery. Material recovery is possible from industrial waste. Organic waste can be used for energy production with various processes such as biogas production. About 150 tons of solid waste can produce 14,000 cubic centimeter of biogas, which can generate 1.2 megawatt of power and 45 tons of manure. With the help of anaerobic bacteria and anaerobic process, we can generate biogas. This biogas can be converted into fuel and electricity. Many municipal authorities as well as societies are practicing such technology. Industrial solid waste management. Nowadays, industrialists are sending their waste to authorized dealers for scientific handling and disposal. Mostly, industrial solid waste is recycled. Dumping is done in a scientific way. Biomedical waste management. Collection and transportation is done in a scientific way. Most of municipal corporations and municipalities have their own collection mechanisms through different franchisees. They use different colored containers for collecting different type of waste. They disinfect transportation vehicles regularly. Proper segregation, labeling and appropriate treatment of waste would go a long way in reducing problems caused by medical waste. Incinerators reduce pathological problems of hospital waste. Incinerator. Domestic, industrial, biomedical waste, e-waste is burnt in an incinerator at high temperature. Disinfection and sterilization are some of the precautions used to treat and dispose of biological waste. Incineration is an industrial combustion process designed to reduce unwanted material to simple solid and gaseous residues. Role of an individual and good habits in management of solid waste. 3 R's are important in waste management. 1. Reduce. 2. Reuse. 3. Recycle. 1. Reduce solid waste at source means using less paper and less use of plastic carry bags. 2. Reuse means making manure out of decomposable waste, making notebooks out of unused papers. 3. Recycle means separating plastic, metal, rubber, glass and sending it to be recycled for the manufacture of other products. Good habits in solid waste management. Don't throw biscuit, ice cream and other fast food material wrappers on roads or in open spaces. Keep them in the pocket and put them in specific buckets later on. 2. As alternative to plastic bags, we can use cloth bags made of household materials, that is, old saris, curtain material, bed sheets, etc. 3. Avoid use of tissue paper. Instead, use your own napkin. 4. Social awareness programs can be organized in schools and colleges. The municipal authority can undertake step-by-step programs to encourage community participation in waste segregation.